In the vast silence of the prehistoric world, humanity was still young. They hunted, gathered, and survived by sharing. There was no greed, no wealth, only need and cooperation. But what if one day, a single idea changed it all? What if money existed in the Stone Age? One hunter finds a shiny stone near the river. It glitters under the sun, more beautiful than any weapon. He shows it to his tribe. They laugh at first, but something strange happens. The stone becomes a symbol of beauty, then power. The first value was born. Soon, people begin trading these shiny stones. 1 stone for meat, 2 stones for a spear. For the first time, value is measured, not by strength, but by agreement. The first economy is born in the dust of the Stone Age. At first, trade brings peace, but soon desire grows. Some begin hiding stones in caves, others fight for them. The first greed, the first theft, the first inequality, all born from a glittering rock. With value comes deception. Ordinary rocks are polished to look precious. Some cheat, some lie. The first counterfeiters appear, and so does doubt. The tribe begins to crumble from within. The priests say, "These stones come from the gods." Offerings are made. Power changes hands, from hunters to believers. The sacred stone becomes not just money, but control. Different tribes create their own stones. Black obsidian, red clay, white shells. Trade routes stretch across mountains and forests. But as some grow rich, others grow desperate. Money unites and divides. The wars of the Stone Age begin, not for food, but for fortune. Villages burn, leaders fall, and yet civilization rises from the ashes, built not by love, but by profit. If money had existed in the Stone Age, humanity might have evolved faster, but it would have lost its innocence much sooner. The first shiny stone, both our greatest creation and our first curse. A story that began with a stone still continues today. Only now the stones glow on our screens.